what guys, my hair is shocking, but it suits the color of my dress, right? So we are here looking for cabins for my brother and sister-in-law. So let's go and have a nosy. I hope they don't mind me filming, but hey, who knows, there might be a viewer that is looking for cabins, right? And this is the place you can come and get you a quote and a cabin. And see, look at this one. It comes with a shower, the toilet, and then it can be your bedroom. I'm just wondering, where would the air condition go? See, toilet. There's a nice shower there too. And the plug. So if you were to stay here, you just put your little kitchen there, over here, your bedroom here. That's all you need, and a TV right there in the corner. Look at this big one here. Yeah, so my brother and his wife are interested in getting cabins for their property in Opatiki. Oh.
See, but how much is it? How much is it costing for the delivery down?
I don't know, they haven't answered.
Because I'm just wondering, will it be just will it cost the same to bring it all done, dropped?
Oh yeah, and to install it? Oh, so they bring it down in parts.
Yeah, so you can have it in flat pack or they can put it together here.
No, I think it's better to take it there and put it together, because you know the travel will shake it to. Just a little one. There's a tiny baby one. Oh, it's like someone already stays in there. It's got their bed and little cabinet. Okay, I better take my nose away from there, because it's not my property.
How hot is this?
Yeah.
I think this is like that we can't see.
Yeah, so where's their office? It's good to go and talk to them.
No, you must take it here. They just build them.
Oh. Oh.
I think that's the one we're after.
Yeah?
But it's only got one window.
It's only got one window. Well, how many windows does the other one got? Oh, yeah.
Myself. The program comes with 2 windows.
Well, it's got one window plus a big sliding door, which will give them light.
Depends what they've ordered, eh? So these are built for orders.
Yeah, probably. Or samples, you know, for people to look at.
People all it in the shower.
Yeah, I like that one. This will probably be about 6,000.
I wonder how much it'll cost to put an aircon on it.
Yeah, you gotta put one little aircon, but the good brand.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that's. Oh, it's got a bathroom as well. I mean, that's all you need, eh? And a good air condition. See, guys. Anyway, that's what we come to have a look at. Who wants one? Thank you very much. Oh, yes, Cheryl, pass it down and I'll pass it to you. Mm. Here's oysters. Salad and eggs. That's me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Look at that, guys. Time to eat. That's oyster. Hang on, is it oyster or mussels? Mussels.
Oh,
This
here's
is-
the better.
Yeah, the batter's good.
Free meal and drink. 62.80. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So the soup places are up there, eh? Like, oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Oh, yeah, there's one
Go
across
have
the
a
road
look at
there.
all of these,
Yeah.
but all the big ones are long.
Oh, along here.
This one, have a look at this. Let's just walk through all of them, have a look, and then
Yeah.
buy which one.
Oh, if I see one straight away, I'll just get it. Oh, they got some nice stuff here. Have a look at it. Hi. I'm after men's shirts. Sort of have a like a tougher material design on it. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, 39. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get this one. I'll look for another one. Okay, have you got 5 extra large, please?
So anything
Yeah, anything. I don't really mind.
taking this one, 5 extra pounds.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. That black and grey one, the black and grey. Is that 5 extra large?
4.
4 extra large. Oh, I don't know.
Big
I-
man,
Yeah, big man. His size is 5. Oh, not the shine on it. What about the black one? The black one?
in the front?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, I can give you that.
5. Bit heavy. Oh, you know that the material's a bit heavy for him. He'll probably complain. Oh, that's not bad. Is that 5?
7.
Yeah.
7.
Or 7? Oh, they'll be too baggy.
Too big.
They'll be too big. Yeah, sorry.
I'll get you some. But you like some colors like this, not this kind. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get some colors.
Thank you. Where's your free large? No free large. But that doesn't help. No free large. Okay, that's no good.
Did you buy a shirt?
Yeah.
What is it?
I bought Kangaroa 2 shirts and Siaka shirt as well. And one for Andre. I'm gonna buy my boys some stuff.
Yeah, these ones. I like this one. What do you think of this one? Buy this for you, Dad. He's more, he's always say he's...
Yeah, he likes that. It's kind of close anyway, eh?
Yeah, he always say he's doesn't say he's multiple. There's so many shops, hard to get.
Yeah. Who wants to see my suitcase? So no one can walk away from my suitcase. Look at it. Bam! Bam! Pink suitcase. Come on, pink suitcase.
I wish you had your camera. There were these two men pushing a copier, a photocopier down the road.
Are you gonna camera
Really?
on?
Yeah, got my camera on. Here's Otahuhu, the old bus depot. Anyway, I spent about $400 just buying shirts and a dress for my mama. Always never forget my mama. Okay, bro. Oh, they're all the way down there. Okay. Look at my pink suitcase, guys. Look at it. I am. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go now, guys. Okay. Hey, bro, look, the bird done a boo boo.
Oh, that was from things.
This is where Toby's is, guys. There, Toby's. Over
Yeah,
there.
they got one order.
Toby. Yeah. Otahuhu.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Maybe.
Inside Otahuhu, or is it Mandarewa or Papakura?
The what?
Toby, another Toby out those ways.
Yeah, Mandarewa.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think they've been there that long. Oh,
Oh, it's something because this one burnt and then they had to open it somewhere else. Oh, I don't know. Some story I heard. This is the old brewery,
they
guys.
have enough for lunch. For lunch? Did you want to get anything for
Oh,
their lunch?
yeah. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I gotta get them some lunch. That's all they're wanting. And here's me forgetting about it. Oh, my
So you
gosh.
go to Otara.
Yeah, anywhere. Anywhere, as long as I can get something to take. Heading towards Papatoetoe, the land of Indians. Hey, that's not racist, okay? Because it's the truth. You watch, the first person you'll see is an Indian. Have a look out. Have a look out. Wait. If the first one's not Indian, I can't upload this. Oh no, that was a worker. That's not counted. They're all islanders and one Palangkil. Papatoetoe, guys. Why? Who used to walk down these streets? What? Here's the old Orpheus where we used to walk all the way just to come to the movies. That's when my little brother couldn't get in because he had to be 15 and over. And then I used to tell him tiptoe when we get up to the window. But yeah, just to get into the movies. Yeah, the things we used to do. Now here's that pub here.
Corner. The mall taking over. I'm just good now. Never got there.
Where's your window glass? Too hard.
The old man. He just didn't like the way he came about, like wanting to. He was there. He had done his foot. They extreme. You tell you what, they want something that creates fitness, not.
Yeah, I wanted to get me a Otara T-shirt, but they didn't have it in those stupid shops we went to. Thank you. They're lovely colours. This is for the sound. Boom, boom. Nice big colours too, look. Look how they are. Salmon white colour, $4.49. Otara Bakery. Nice tomatoes. Look. There's Otara vegetable shop. What happened? That's a bakery now. What happened to the olive tree they used to be? Oh. The bananas are nice. Nice apples.
Buy some gum.
Yeah, yeah. Do they have cooked ones? Yeah. There's some cooked ones here. Oh no, we'll go around the front because they don't look as nice. Yeah, raw ones. Yeah, I just don't want the old man to cook anything though. What he does, he peels a lot of them in advance and then he wraps them up in
Ice fried chicken.
Are they? I thought the front one was famous for the... Seagull. You can buy some meat from here, bro. Right. Now here's where they buy the nice chicken, yeah.
Hi there, your order. Yeah, thank you.
There's chicken thighs, eh?
Yeah. Or these.
Hello.
Yeah, can I have 6 pieces of chicken thighs, please? And 6 drumsticks as well, please.
So what about some makita?
Yeah. And we'll get about 10 potatoes as well, please. We got some galo here. And with it, right, look, avocado. 6 for $1. Yeah, please. $2 potato.
A couple of fish.
Yeah. And I'll have 3 pieces of fish, please. And 8 pieces of taro.
Might as well you take the whole 4.
Yeah, I'll take the whole 4, thank you. Oh yeah, because we've got 2. Do you think that's enough chicken?
I'll get 2 more.
Get another lot. Yeah.
I'll get 8.
Yeah, can I have two more pieces of thigh, please? Can I have there's some bigger ones there. Can I have a couple of those big ones? Yeah, yeah, please.
There's a different price.
Huh?
It's a different price. This $2.50.
You just get those.
Yeah, okay, I'll just get 2 of these ones then. Thank you.
I mean, if you...
I've got 6 the other one. Should I get 12? Another 6?
Nah, just get 4 more.
4 more, thanks. This is where Esther used to come and get her,
So what?
her,
Yeah, anything else? How many taro would you like?
oh, 8 pieces, please. You got any orange juice? Got orange and mango juice, please?
No, I got this one.
What?
Orange mango.
Oh, yeah, okay.
How many?
We have 3, please. Oh, and can I have a large bottle of Mountain Dew down near the orange one, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
How many?
No, I'll have that one and the orange one as well. It's to the left, down the bottom, it's on the left.
This one?
No, over. See there? Yeah.
It's very fuzzy.
Yes. That's
No.
what's that?
Yeah, and I wanted the other one as well.
And
Both. The green one and that one. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah.
No, help me out with
Yeah, so listen to me. I'm on my side. Nine. What about your ones? The bigger ones?
Just give the whole... They will go off 2 packs. They'll go off 2 packs.
These ones? How much is my one?
yeah, this one.
Yep. Thank you. Oh, what's in here? Bro, there's island food here. It's an island food place here.
Yeah. They're the big restaurant.
I don't know. Well, I want to go there and see if they got baguettes.
Yeah, that one in the front I thought would have been there.
Look at those colourful cakes. No for me.
$59.40.
No.
Chicken.
Okay, I'll use $10. There, that's your money. There we go. Thank you. I used $10. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Take on a bangekis. Oh, sad. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Oh well. Huh? Oh, the pancakes blacky bought. Oh, they were so nice. Watch out, bro. Oh, right. Speedy Gonzalez down the shop. Oh, he got it from Bingaki. Oh, is that where he went? Oh, poor Blacky. I thought he just went down the road or something. Oh. Yeah.
Dah flat.
Ah, flat on it. Ya, Pak. Kali dah saya habis biar ya. Yeah. There we go.
Jack likes that.
Yeah, I'll bring it over here. Ada paling syokok dua. Yep, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you for the garland. You know exactly where you want to put the plug. Yeah, where you put where you pull your hook, put the plug.
Oh, that's the drink. And for a little slide. Yeah. Yeah. You will too.
I dropped the avocados last time I was